Oyo Court extends order allowing PDP to hold convention in Ibadan. The Oyo State High Court has again extended the interim order that allowed the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to go ahead with its planned national convention in the city of Ibadan. This new decision means that the PDP can continue preparing for the big political gathering without fear of being stopped by any fresh injunction, at least for now. The case has attracted national attention because it could determine the future leadership of the party ahead of the next general election. The court session in Ibadan was filled with both tension and excitement. Lawyers, party members, and journalists filled the courtroom as the presiding judge read out the extension order. According to the court's ruling, the interim order that was earlier granted still stands until the next hearing date. This gives the PDP more time to organize its activity and prepare its defense in court. Many PDP supporters outside the court were seen rejoicing after the pronouncement. They said the decision shows that the rule of law is still alive and that their party can continue its plan peacefully. However, some members from the opposition camp expressed disappointment. They believe the extension favors one side and could affect internal fairness within the party. Let's look at how all of this started. A few weeks ago, a group within the PDP went to court asking that the planned convention in Ibadan be stopped. They claimed the current leadership violated some internal processes and did not follow the party's constitution in announcing the convention. The National Working Committee of the PDP, on the other hand, argued that unnecessary steps were taken and that the court should not stop a national event that has already been planned and announced to members nationwide. After listening to both sides, the Oyo State High Court initially issued an interim order allowing the convention to go on while the case continues. Now, the same court has extended that order, which means the PDP leadership still has the green light to continue with the preparation. The extension came just a few days before another major hearing scheduled for Friday. Legal experts say this Friday hearing will be very crucial, as both parties are expected to present stronger arguments and possibly call more witnesses. Political watchers say the PDP crisis is not just about the convention itself, it's about who controls the party structure ahead of the 2027 general election. For many, the ongoing case has exposed the deep division inside the party. Some members believe the leadership is trying to maintain unity, while others accuse the leadership of sidelining certain powerful blocs. In Ibadan, preparations are still ongoing for the planned convention. Security operatives have been seen around the city and hotels are already being booked by delegates who expect the convention to hold soon. The city of Ibadan, known for its political energy, is once again at the center of national attention. Residents said they have never seen this level of political drama in a long time. Meanwhile, inside sources within the PDP say meetings are being held daily to ensure the party presents a united front before the next hearing. Top PDP figures, including governors, former senators, and members of the board of trustees, have all been in touch with the party's legal team. A source close to leadership said the main goal now is to avoid a total breakdown of trust within the party. He said both sides need to find a political solution while still respecting the court process. The ruling from the Oyo Court has also sparked strong reactions on social media. Some Nigerians believe the PDP is only fighting itself instead of focusing on how to regain national power. Others say this legal process is healthy because it helps strengthen internal democracy. On social media platforms, political supporters are already arguing. Some users shared old clips from previous PDP convention, saying the party always faces drama before every big event. One user wrote, "The PDP lost courtrooms more than campaigns." Another replied, "At least they are using the law, not violence." Analysts say this online conversation shows how Nigerians are closely watching the PDP because it still remains one of the biggest opposition parties in the country. Let's go deeper into the background. The PDP was once Nigeria's ruling party for 16 years before losing power in 2015. Since then, the party has struggled to rebuild itself and maintain unity. Every major convention has come with its own share of controversy. From Port Harcourt to Abuja and now Ibadan, the story seems to repeat itself. Different groups within the party trying to gain control of power structure. The upcoming hearing in Oyo is expected to focus on two main questions: whether the party followed its internal rule before fixing the convention, and whether the court has jurisdiction to interfere in party matters. Lawyers say the second question is particularly important because Nigeria's constitution gives political parties the right to manage their internal affairs. But when there is a dispute that could affect public peace or the law, the courts are allowed to step in. At the last hearing, the judge reminded both sides to maintain peace and avoid making public statements that could mislead the public or affect the case outcome. As it stands, the PDP National Organizing Committee is still pushing forward with event plans in Ibadan. They have promised that the convention will be one of the most peaceful and transparent in the party's history. The committee has also invited major political observers, including INEC representatives, civil society organizations, and even some members of the international community to witness the event. But the fraction opposing the leadership insists the court must first decide before any convention is allowed to take place. They warn that going ahead without a final judgment could bring more chaos. Inside the court document, the plaintiff accused the party chairman of ignoring their petitions and acting unilaterally. But the chairman's lawyers responded that the plaintiffs are only trying to cause confusion. Observers believe Friday's hearing could determine if the court will make the order permanent or cancel it altogether. Whatever happens, the decision will send a strong message, either confirming the PDP's readiness to move forward or exposing the cracks that may affect the 2027 election. In the meantime, security remains tight around the Oyo High Court. Police patrols have been seen in the key areas, and officials have warned supporters to stay peaceful during the next sitting. Political groups from nearby states like Osun, Ogun, and Ekiti have also been sending representatives to Ibadan to observe the situation. Some senior PDP figures, including former governors and party elders, are expected to arrive in Oyo before Thursday to hold a peaceful meeting before the Friday hearing. Analysts say this could be a final chance for reconciliation before the matter drags the party into a deeper internal crisis. As the political tension continues, many Nigerians are now asking, what does this really mean for the PDP's future? If the court sides with the leadership, the convention will go ahead, and new party executive might emerge. But if the court decides against the leadership, it could delay the convention, create more internal division, and weaken the PDP's opposition in coming election. For now, it's a waiting game. The next few days will be crucial for the PDP, for your politics, and for the Nigerian opposition movement as a whole. So what do you think about the whole situation? Do you believe the Oyo State High Court made the right decision by extending the order for the PDP to hold its convention? Will this move bring peace or more trouble inside the party? Let's hear your opinion in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell for more political updates, straight and simple. Thank you for watching. Stay calm, stay safe, and stay updated.